So da tutti, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited and I literally cannot wait because as it's become a bit of a tradition on this channel, I always wait to unbox my luxury purchases on camera. And this package I received this very morning. My outfit gives you a clue as to the color of what I'm about to unbox. And this is, as always, really special, otherwise I would not be filming it. And no spoiler alert, I'm filming a sandal unboxing today. You heard me right. I was about to say we're in the middle of winter, but no, actually we're December the 29th, so winter has just started. Yes, I'm filming a sandal unboxing. Not in the middle, but at the start of winter. Make it make sense. Winter is not my favorite season, as you may know. And I have a bit of the winter blues, so I thought, and this is another clue, winter blues. Why not buy baby blue sandals? And here we are. And I cannot open the package. Blue isn't my favorite color. I don't wear blue very often. And usually when I do, like today, I tend to go for my Dior accessories, the cap. I might as well put a cap on it, given my crazy hair at the moment, or this bag. So yeah, apart from the winter blues, I have no other reason. So I don't know why. Except for some innocent scrolling on Louis Vuitton website where, wow, the packaging is something. Look at this. Very chic. As you may know, I love to go to Miami in the winter to have a break from the cold and everything. And so this is why I was looking for sandals. One of the things I do love about winter is that there are not too many tourists around them, which in Corsica is a luxury. Okay. So this is a total surprise. I'm just feeling the shape. They feel kind of chunky. Okay. Yeah, the first thing I'm seeing right now is this here, which I'm not really pleased about, you know. I don't know, and they look very small. They look very small. Okay, before I try these are the Louis Vuitton Maya sandals. And yeah, I'm kind of surprised. On the website, they looked like gladiator sandals. I even called this customer service because there is no sizing info on the website. And I asked them about the sizing and they told me, because you know how big I am on sizing, pun intended, they told me to take my normal size, which made sense because I have a pair of mule sandals, one heeled, the other flat, and they size perfectly. 40 is my normal size, so I took a 40. And I'm kind of scared right now because it's not bad if they do fit. It won't be bad because, you know, I'll avoid they have a chunky sole, so maybe if they look small, it's not a bad thing. But I don't know. Now let's get into the details before I finally try them on. So this is the Maya platform sandal. It's reimagined in glossy pattern calf leather with tone-on-tone details for a harmonious look. Well, okay, tone-on-tone. The upper features a matching LV circle accessory, while the back strap is adjustable with a tone-on-tone buckle. Yeah, tone-on-tone is the key there. And the sandal sits on a thick platform sole designed for exceptional comfort. Now I have my purple flats from Louis Vuitton, and I can tell you they're not the most comfortable, but yeah, the sole looks softer for some reason. So they come in light blue, in pattern calf leather again with a signature metallic detail here, and the rubber outsole is a 3.5 centimeter or a 1.4 inch platform, and they're made in Italy. The pricing now, $9.20. Not the cheapest ones. All right. I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna try them on a very special carpet. You're gonna understand why in a few seconds. But yeah, exceptional comfort. I don't know what I loved about them, apart from the color, because actually blue again is not my favorite color. Usually I don't like light blue, but it's a color I don't own. So I don't have any pairs except from an old pair of Zara sandals maybe I'm not wearing anymore. So this made sense as I'm trying to buy, you know, colors and shapes and styles I don't have. And yeah, the more I look at them, the more I like them. Never order luxury items, because once you have them in your hands, it's very, very difficult to let them go. So yeah, again, sandals, winter. I'm freezing today. I don't even know which season they are from. Again, the only reason I'm shopping for sandals in winter is that I'm hoping to go to Miami, my yearly pilgrimage in February, and that's it. But yeah, I'm spotting a tiny defect here. Just checking if nobody has worn these beauties before me. I mean, for the outfit inspo now, head over to Instagram, because I'm way too lazy and too cold, you know, to film outfits. And I'm skipping toenail polish as well. So I'm gonna try this with a pair of chunky socks. Look at how cute this carpet is. Okay, let's go now. Never mind the socks. They feel a bit big, and I have the socks on, but the length is okay. The problem is that I have very narrow feet, and yeah, hence, you know, the fact that they feel large. Let me show them from above. The size is okay. I mean, the length is perfect, as you know, my other sandals, maybe, yeah, a tad short, but yeah, I can't size up, otherwise they will be way too big. And they're actually comfortable. They're really comfortable. I mean, apart from the fact that they feel a bit large, I mean, these are sandals you can actually walk in, if that makes sense. And given the pricing, I mean, I'd better wear them a lot. for the cost per wear, just saying. But yeah, I love them. Unfortunately, I love them. I love them. I love the color. I love how well they go with denim. And I don't remember where I saw that, you know, light blue was gonna be big next summer. But I mean, it must have influenced me in some ways. The only thing I'm not pleased about, so I'm gonna try them off camera without socks, of course. The only thing I'm concerned about is being quite wide and definitely made for wider feet than mine. Maybe I will have to adjust them a little and see how they feel. They're set on the last notch of the strap, but again, it's adjustable. So I need to set them on the first notch and see if they fit better. They're really, really pretty. Look, even the sole is pretty. I mean, the sole is almost too pretty to actually walk in these shoes. Look. And one of the things I love about pattern leather is that it's so easy to wear and much more durable. I mean, I won't think twice about wearing them if it rains or whatnot. Which again, given the pricing, is something I appreciate. Another reason why I bought them is that I don't know if it's Celine or Hermes, which did very nice gladiator sandals a couple of years ago. The only issue is that everybody got them, and yeah, they didn't come in this very special light blue. I'll easily pair them with denim, but actually, and this will be the topic for another video soon, I promise, because you know me, if I buy a bag, I have to have matching shoes and vice versa. So I did find an amazing bag as the perfect match for these beauties. But actually, I think that light blue, for some reason, and I have a skirt I already know I'm gonna be wearing, burgundy and light blue is a color pairing I love. So given the amount of burgundy I have in my wardrobe, I mean, there's absolutely no shortage of outfit ideas for these sandals, I can tell you. Look, again, I hope the camera, the lighting, given I'm filming in the afternoon, but you know, the sun goes down real quick in the winter. I hope the lighting does this pairing justice because I love it. I don't remember, again, I saw this pairing. I don't remember if it was at a Miu Miu show, but I loved it. So yeah, again, see, I could bring this bag with me and these sandals and the other bag. I'm waiting for it. Another look at them. All right, to wrap this up, I love them, I'm keeping them, and I make them work. I'm actually impressed with how quickly I made this decision, especially given how undecisive I can be sometimes. But yeah, it doesn't really apply to fashion. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. I'm not quite sure when I'll edit it or upload it, but I'll see you very soon for more fashion adventures. Vi prego una buona giornata, baci e scialada vi là!